Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Gontarek here at Balance Flow. This is Chelsea here with another BodyWise video. We are going over normal ranges of motion for the cervical spine, otherwise known as your neck. So what we're going to do first, Chelsea's going to demonstrate to see if we have enough range of motion in terms of extension of our neck. We want to try to get our chin up towards the ceiling. In Chelsea's case, this is perfect. A lot of times we'll see that we can only get to here. That's not enough. In terms of flexion, trying to draw the chin down towards the sternum. Trying to touch that, excellent, coming back up. These other two are important to pay attention to in terms of the ranges. We're gonna go over rotation next. When we rotate to one way, seeing if we can get about 90 degrees looking directly over the shoulder without turning our upper body is going to indicate if we have a normal range of motion. So if Chelsea can turn her head and look at me and say, hey, why were you just trying to turn my head this way? I don't like that. That is a normal range of motion. The last thing that we're gonna go over, sideways bending or lateral flexion of the spine. We should have about 45 degrees on either side. That is usually a good indication that we have normal and appropriate amounts of range of motion for our neck. Some people have more, some people have less. If we have less, check out our video on those chin retractions. That can actually help allow you to move a little bit more freely. Give us a like, subscribe, give us a follow, stay body wise, and come on in and see us if we're dealing with some neck pain.